Just as language is important to the culture of a region, a society's faith is a cultural phenomenon. It is important to understand both the distribution and characteristics of the major religions in the Middle East and Africa. As indicated on the map, Islam is the primary faith of the Middle East. However, there are two divisions or denominations of Islam, Sunni and Shiite, sometimes referred to as Shia. While the Sunnis represent the majority of the Muslims in the world, Iraq and Iran have Shia majorities. It is important to use the terms Islam and Muslim correctly when discussing this topic. Islam refers to the religion, while Muslim refers to the person who follows that faith. Religion in Africa can be described as complex and fluid. The term complex in this case means difficult to describe or define, and fluid refers to the fact that spiritual practices in Africa are interwoven and flexible. It is common for Africans to practice a mixture of two faiths, typically a combination of the native faith and either Christianity or Islam. It is also common to find different spiritual beliefs within family members living in the same household. It is important to note the distribution of faiths in Africa. Christianity is found along the coastal regions, and Islam is primarily found in the northern areas. Now let's think, why might that be the case? Could it have something to do with colonialism? The other faith, termed Animism, is located in the central part of the continent. While Animism is complex and difficult to describe, it is important to understand that Animism is not necessarily animal worship, but rather a belief system where followers find spirituality in all things natural, living or non-living.